Well, electric car video. Yes, Charlotte was driving home yesterday, and guess what? The electric car's not working anymore. But that's because there was a car accident. And this is what happened. And I don't think I'm going to be able to fix this, but I am going to salvage the battery and all the other parts that are necessary. Look at this. We were very lucky that the occupant was alright. But see how bad, look how far back that got kicked, man. Oh, windshield gone out. There's the front, I don't know if the tyres, anything's worth keeping here. The truck's all smashed in. This is the side that got hit. Look at that, man. The dashboard is pushed all the way back. I think they were about to have the jaws of life to get the passenger out of there, but there wasn't a passenger, fortunately. And trunk's all knackered. So anyhow, it worked. As far as saving the occupant, good job, Solectria. Or should I say, good job, Geo Metro from GM. This car was made safe. See, the crumple zones all worked as designed. I was able to rescue the motor controller from the front of the car. Looks a little bit bashed, but I'll test it out. And we've got these batteries. Of the 13 batteries that were in the car, 12 of them are good, so that's great. Also, we have the battery charger. I was able to get that out too. It looks alright. That wasn't in the collision area. Here. Anyhow, this is the DC to DC converter, which I suspect is also okay. I'm just going to find a home for all this stuff, but all this can go on the motorhome as well. Extra power. Alright. So that's what's happened so far with the story of the write-off car. Thanks for watching, and we'll continue taking more things out of the car that might be of some use, and then scrap the shell.